Welcome back to Dining with Dave, creative cooking for ballers on a budget. I'm your host, David Robinson. This is how to clean your fruit ninja. Simply, efficiently, quickly, amazingly, awesomely. So all we're gonna do is actually go with the simple, most direct method, which is this. So water, take our water, rinse this thing out, just like you would before you like pre-washing it, right? Now the trick, what we're trying to do here is to avoid sticking our hands with deep inside this thing. And sometimes, if our hands are small, we can't even get in there real well. So we're gonna avoid all that. We're just gonna rinse it out. Then we're gonna take our Fruit Ninja blade, rinse that too. We're gonna suck our hand in this thing one single time, right? A little bit of warm water in there, a little bit of dish soap. Doesn't matter what kind of dish soap, it doesn't matter. You can use Castile soap for all I care, right? A little bit of soap and water in there. Then, we're gonna go ahead, pop the lid back on. It's on properly, you're gonna hear this. There's bubbles. There's bubbles. We're gonna tighten it up real good, alright? Now all we're gonna do is slap it back on Fruit Ninja. It's gonna clean itself, folks. Sounds progress, baby. Production. It's already clean. It's done. What's that? It's called cleanliness, baby. Efficiency. Look at that. It's already clean, guys. Fruit Ninja did the work for us. Thank you, Fruit Ninja. I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse it off. That is it. You thought this was gonna be a long, drug out, complicated video. Well, you were wrong, baby. Dave Robinson knows how to get it done. This right here is David getting it done. Maybe that should be my next channel. David gets it done. It's not bad, guys. Bada bing. It's the bada boom. Look at that. Oh, you see that? Perfection, baby. We're just gonna set it up to dry. I'm your host, David Robinson, aka Chef Dine'N'Dash. Robinsonder Solutions. You know why, folks? Because that right there is a solution. Most people, this is not a problem. For us, this is a huge problem, and I just solved it with David Robinson, baby. David Robinson at your service, at your service. Get it done since 1987, technically. It's 2020, 2019, and all the other years between, before I was born even, I was getting it done. They didn't even know about it yet. David Robinson, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you out. If not, then you gotta get your priorities straight, son. Really, guys, thank you for watching. If you have a Fruit Ninja, hopefully I just basically gave you a little skill to go, like a shuriken. It's like an intellectual shuriken. I like that. That's David Robinson, 2020. You can't, that's mine. You cannot take that. It's intellectual property of David Robinson. But I'm not patenting it, so I guess it's really anyone's. It's mine, man. David Robinson, peace out, guys. Thank you.